Journal alerts allow you to set up automatic email notification when a new issue of a specific journal becomes available in Health Business Elite. In order to create journal alerts, you must be signed into your EBSCO personal folder account. To sign in or create a new account, click the Sign In link in the top toolbar. First, click on the Publications button along the top toolbar. Enter the publication name in the Browse Publications field and click Browse. Next, click on the title link to view the publication details page. On the publication record, click on Share in the upper right corner. In the resulting drop-down menu, click Email Alert to open the Journal Alert Setup window. Set your alert parameters, add your email address, and click Save Alert. You'll now be alerted when a new issue becomes available. You can also click the Advanced Settings link if you would like to access all of the available alert customization options. Click the Help link to view the complete online help system.